Hey people, so it's like this whole lockdown and otherwise also, we all tend to have our favorite type of shows to watch, like binge watch whenever you get the time. Otherwise, there's a lot of reading. Uh, yeah, I would from the bottom of my heart want to be able to do some kind of volunteer work, yeah, but stepping out of the house is not. I mean, like I used to when I used to see people wearing masks on the road, I used to think like, what is wrong with them? Until I went out without wearing a mask and realized for myself just how bad it is, the situation outside. So, so it's important to if that's what no point trying to be a. There was this case of a volunteer who helped like so many hundreds of people only to for it to turn out that this volunteer had himself tested positive so basically all the people he came in contact with because he was helping with some food distribution or something, so it was said that it's almost irresponsible that the person was, and the people who have strong immunity, really good for them, yeah, but I don't know, yeah. When I step out and then I come back in, I need some time to recover. There is something in the air. What it is, I'm not sure. It's some kind of virus. It's a हवा में तो कुछ तो है यार. So anyway, so people considering we all know the situation of lockdown and all. So among the things to watch on on Netflix, on I think we all have our particular favorites. Like I like horror comedies a lot. Probably the quality of my videos itself reflects this horror comedy combination. But seriously, when it comes to purely horror, there is this show called Anjan Rural Myths that is on Netflix. That is so worth checking out. Yeah, I mean, like among the present crop of these horror shows, this stands apart. So y'all should check it out, people. It's a set of I think 15 episodes, but I've not watched all 15. Of course, I just watch to see if it's interesting. If it's interesting, I continue watching. Otherwise, I let it go there itself. So anyway, 15 episodes. It's called Anjan Rural Myths, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.